there was someone I just saw. Okay, I'm not trying to just criticize someone, but I just saw someone post this chart. They kind of posted this trend line, and they were saying that this breakout, or if it gets resisted here, it's a very important point. Now this is where traders often get caught into this wrong mentality. What will happen, I'll tell you. We know that there is the last swing high is at 18,200. So why is it important? Because this is where lots of stop losses are there. Is there any volume attached in this zone? No. So if there is no struggle, what will halt the market? What will who will come and try and defend that zone? Nothing of that sort is visible on the chart, and that is why I believe that this is not an important zone. This is not an important zone. What will happen is we will move higher, and then they will confirm a breakout, and then probably we'll get exhausted again at the swing high instead of breaking out, and then this whole breakout of the century will fizzle out. And even after exhausting here, it's not compulsory that it will go down. It might just keep moving sideways. You need to understand that any reference that you are tracking for a breakout or a breakdown, unless it's a VWAP, has to be horizontal. So these things, this is not the correct way of looking at references for breakouts and breakdowns. Although if someone is completely in love with the price action and patterns, then you simply cannot help them.